What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We're gonna do a brake fluid flush on the pickup truck today. And I don't know if you guys can see how dark this brake fluid is. Yesterday I got some out and I put some new brake fluid in, so it's not as dark as it was. But I'm gonna just flush the whole system. I'm gonna start taking all this out little by little, and then I'll put new brake fluid and start at the rear passenger side so I can get all of it out. I'm gonna finish doing this real quick and then I'll put you guys back on. Just to give you an idea of how dirty it is in there, this is the filter that goes in here. And it has some gunk buildup, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with some brake cleaner and try to get as much as that off, and then put it back in and top it off. Now I'm gonna get someone in here to press on the brake pedal about 10 times. And I'm gonna be down here opening and closing this valve. So every time they press it 5 times or 10 times up there, they're gonna hold it in. I'm gonna open the valve, get all the air out and all the old brake fluid out. Then I'm gonna close it and repeat that process about 5 times, 10 times until I start seeing clear brake fluid. But at the same time, we're gonna keep an eye on the master and make sure that there's still fluid in there. So let me start doing that real quick and we'll jump onto the driver's side next. This is what I got out so far. As you can see, it's really dark. So we kept pumping and bleeding the brakes until I started seeing clear brake fluid come out. So now we're gonna move up to the front passenger side. This is all the dirty brake fluid I was able to get. And keep in mind that there's still clean brake fluid in here, because I was doing it until I saw clean brake fluid come out. So it was darker than this. Now I'm just gonna top this off and we should be done. Well, that's it for the brake fluid flush. I also worked on the clutch, but I didn't record it because I had an idea that we were gonna end up replacing it, which we are. It's really muddy in here, so it's really bad, and it's really hard to get the clean fluid out from the slave. So we're just gonna end up replacing this and the slave. Stay tuned for those videos coming up, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at yonke_oxe films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.